Hey guys, I'm the Bento Buster and this is Komatsuna, aka Japanese mustard spinach, and I'll be needing this to make my 4-minute microwavable bento. And I'll also be using 100 grams of finely sliced pork, which is next to my little friend there who's currently doing walkabouts. Okay, in my bowl here I have 100 grams of Komatsuna cut into kind of bite-sized pieces. And to the Komatsuna, I'm going to add a touch of salt and some beni shoga ginger. And if you don't have Komatsuna, you can use spinach or baby bok choy. And once everything's in the pool, give it a good mix and set it aside to rest. Now let's have a closer look at this pork, and as you can see, this stuff is paper thin. How do they do it? Well, I think the secret is to freeze it then slice it, but hey, don't quote me on that. Anyway, now to the pork, I'm going to add some soy sauce, some cooking sake, some flour, potato starch, and a touch of Japanese mustard. And if you want to add anything else, go for it. If you've tried this stuff, you'll know that it's pretty hot and it's kind of like English mustard. That means it does have a bit of a kick, so don't go too crazy, eh? The next step is to get in there with your hands and give it a good mix and make sure that everything's incorporated. Okay, the preparation is done, so we're going to wrap these babies up, put them in the microwave and nuke them for 4 minutes. Pretty cool special effects, huh? Oh, and don't forget the 2-minute rice. Halfway through that 4-minute cooking process, toss this in with the other stuff and it all should finish at the same time. With the help of a little magic, when everything's done, it should look like this. And as you can see, the Komatsuna has reduced in size, but trust me, it is just the right amount to fit into your bento. Oh, and hang on, what does he want? Okay, he's just being inquisitive. And this is a close-up of the pork. At this point, if you feel the urge, you could add a touch of olive oil to the pork, give it a good mix, and that will give it a nice sheen. Now that everything's done, the only thing left to do is start loading up this bento. Okay, so far so good, and to finish it off, I'm just going to add a little bit more beni shoga. And there you go, a pork and Komatsuna bento. Now that wasn't too hard now, was it? So, what do you think? It's simple, economical, healthy, and, trust me, delicious. But I better give it a quick taste test to confirm that. And yes, bingo, it tastes great. Yep, another success. It's simple, delicious, and all cooked in the microwave in 4 minutes. Okay guys, well my work here is done, so now it's your turn to give it a try. As always, thank you for watching on the Bento Buster, and I'll see you next time. Kia kaha, stay strong and happy cooking.